Welcome to today's episode of What Are We Gonna Learn in Math Today, represented by Old El Paso Tacos. Old El Paso Tacos. Get the tacos that you need. So, today, the first thing we're gonna talk about today is regression lines, because regression lines, they're very important. So the first thing that you're probably gonna wonder is, what is a regression line gonna tell you? So what a regression line is gonna tell you, it basically represents the rate of change as the y as x changes. So because y is dependent on x, we're gonna need to calculate x first.
Hi guys, Sunny's here, and I came from Fresno, California to teach you guys a little about regression lines. The first thing I'm gonna tell you is that a regression line, there's a purpose for it. The purpose for it is to find a formula that fits the relationship between the two variables, and then you can use that formula to predict values for the dependent variable when only the independent variable is known. There's actually an equation for the regression line, which is in the form of y equals a plus b of x, where x is the explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable. The slope of the line is b and a is the intercept.
So the best way to learn something when you're trying to do statistics is, of course, to practice it. So today I came up with a problem for us to solve out. Please tell me the regression line. The mean of the houses, backyard buildings being built in Irvine, California is 67.5 inches with a standard deviation of 5 inches. The mean of bricks is 155 pounds with a standard deviation of 30 bricks. The covariance of the houses, backyard building, and bricks is 130. Use backyard buildings to predict bricks.
So the slope equals covariance divided by over variance of x. So as we know, the covariance is 130, and we're gonna get, since there's 5 over 2, you do the math on that right here. 130 divided by 5 squared equals 5.2. So the next step is you get the y bar, the slope. So equals 155, which comes from the problems of the mean of bricks, minus 5.2, which we get the slope here. And then you add all the height of the house's backyards up, which is 62 plus 66 plus 68 plus 74, which is 270 divided by 4, which is 67.5. From here, you do the math. You have 155 minus 351 equals negative 196. So once you get this, we know that the weight of the backyard is going to equal negative 196 plus this number, which is 5.2, and then the height of house's backyard. So this is the last thing we need to find out to use backyard buildings to predict bricks.
So today we learned about regression lines and how to use them. I hope you guys learned a lot. For any more questions, just feel free to contact me. We're going to be doing a lot more examples in the near future. And also don't forget Old El Paso Tacos, the taste that you love.